Call your girlfriend, time you at the door. Give you reasons, say it's not a fault, but you just met somebody new. Tell her not to get upset, second guessing everything you said and done. And when she get upset, tell her that you never meant to hurt no one. Then you tell her that the only way out of man is when she learns to love again. And it won't make sense right now, but you're still a friend. And then you look down and you say, sans cri ni peine, dis-lui d'être fort. Y'a du temps mais ce n'est pas ça. C'est nous, nous sommes devenus. Je sais bien que tu avais froid, dans mes bras tu y as trouvé la chaleur. Et contente-toi de lui dire que je n'ai jamais voulu